Hey, what's up, VPFIers? All set? VPFI! Você está prestes a ouvir um quadro 100% in English aqui nos podcasts do VPFI. I hope you can get the best of this English chat with Lucas Fernando. Hello there! While everybody else was watching the Jordan Matthew live concert on April 4th, 2020, me and my student Luck were recording this nice English chat to help you get some ideas and practical tips about a nice English schedule. Luck is one of my students from VPFI and he is studying the Pack 13 at the current moment. And because I'm extremely proud of his English level and also the dedication he shows with his course, I invited him to participate in an English chat here on one of our full English episodes from VPFI podcasts. Hey Luck! Is it going to be your first interview in English? I mean, 100% in English, right?
Yes, it's going to be my first time, and I feel ready and excited.
Welcome to the VPFI podcasts. It's so nice to have an English chat with you over here, my friend. Is everything okay with you?
Yes, I'm very well. Thanks for asking. I'm so glad to be here.
So, first question, how much time do you study English per day?
I study English for about an hour every day.
It's a good amount of time. Many people don't have this whole time to dedicate to English, and that's a pity. Can you explain to us about your schedule day by day? I mean, do you study English from Sunday to Sunday? Wow, that's a lot of studying, right?
Yeah, on Mondays I study English with an app, Memrise. I also watch a video class on YouTube about something that I consider interesting to learn, and after that, I read a graded reader.
Alright, so on Mondays you get some vocabulary through reading the graded reader. You learn something interesting that you think's nice to help you improve in your English and practice the words you learn at VPFI through the Memrise app. Pretty nice day of studies. How about your Tuesdays?
On Tuesdays, I study with you at VPFI, and after the English class, I read a new chapter from a graded reader.
Yeah, I can say that having the opportunity to be your teacher on a Tuesday night is really awesome because you are developing your English so fast, and I'm proud of you, man.
Thanks, teacher. I really love studying English. It's one of my favorite things to do in these crazy Corona times.
Good habits. Let's keep talking about your schedule. I'd like to know about your study plan for Wednesdays.
On Wednesdays, I study a little bit of grammar, and after that, I read a new chapter from a graded reader.
Wow, I can see that you really love reading, right? What's your reading strategy? How do you do that?
I read a chapter a day, and if there are words that I don't know, I search for them and write some notes on my English notebook to help me memorize them.
Man, I'd love to have more students with the same healthy habits as you do, Luck. I hope that everybody who is listening to us now can feel motivated to have a schedule similar to yours. But let's keep the ball moving. What do you do to improve your English on Thursdays?
I choose a test or a part of one from internet, nothing very long, and work with the PIV technique to help me learn and memorize the verbs in their conjugation. After doing that, I watch another video class from YouTube, but sometimes I listen to a podcast, and at the end of the day, I read a new chapter from a graded reader.
The PIV technique. I should definitely record an episode about it. Well mentioned. I'll do that soon. However, we're almost on the weekend and you have already studied a lot of English during your weekdays. Tell us what's your schedule on Friday, please.
Well, I usually get 3 expressions or slangs and I study them, creating my own examples using them. And after that, guess what? I read a new chapter from a graded reader.
Nice job, Luck. Your study plan is very complete. I'm glad to see that you are getting expressions and slangs on Friday. It will help you to have a very natural English. But wait, do you study even on Saturdays and Sundays, or you take these days off schedule?
Oh yeah, on Saturday I get some phrasal verbs and collocations, and I create my own examples with them too. And on Saturday night, I read a new chapter from my graded reader. I hope the people who are listening to the show don't get angry at my graded readers because I repeated it so many times.
No, man, I bet they won't. Especially because learning English is all about consistent repetition, and reading the graded readers can help you create this habit of reading every day, which is healthy not only for your English but for you as a whole. And how about your Sundays, look?
And on Sundays, I just read the last chapter of the week from my graded reader and try to review everything that I studied during my week.
Wow, dude, excellent! Your schedule is awesome! What's your main motivation to keep up with this perfect schedule?
Thanks, teacher. I want to be fluent soon and learn so much English that I can become an English teacher in the future, like you.
I'm sure your English level will develop a lot faster now that you are following this new schedule, and I really hope that we can work together at VPFI in the future, because I already saw that you have a talent to share your knowledge, and this is extremely important for a teacher. Just out of curiosity, can you tell us here how did you create this amazing schedule?
Of course, I watched some videos from YouTube about schedules and took the best ideas to create my study plan.
Well, look, thanks a million times for saving part of your Sunday to be here with us. It was a great English chat. And now, to finish, what message would you leave to the audience who is listening to us and want to improve their English?
Guys, if you want to learn English for real, you have to study hard and make English your first priority. I don't know what is the reason why you are studying the language, but never stop it. The secret is to study a lot. As my teacher always says, a little bit by day and your goal is gonna be accomplished.
I hope you have enjoyed the English chat with Lucas Fernando. Soon I'll be interviewing more students.
VPFI!